Okay, so we're looking at another dosage calculation. Specifically, we are given an order of this drug, midazolam, 0.2 milligrams per kilogram per day. It's a per day dose or per day order, and then we're going to divide that into 2 doses. Also given the client's weight and the strength of the medication. And our colleague has prepared this amount in the syringe. So this is what's been prepared, and we have to determine whether or not what's been sent to us by our colleague or the pharmacy is correct. So they have prepared 2.8 milliliters. We have to determine, is this the correct amount that we should be giving to our patient? And so what we're going to do is to begin with our order, and we're going to turn our order into the amount of milliliters per dose. And so as I see in this problem, the order is 0.2 milligrams per kilogram per day. And what I have to figure out is how many milliliters they need. Now, the first thing I notice is that this is a per kilogram dose, which means I need to use the patient's weight in kilograms. So if I divide by 2.2, I know I will be turning those pounds into kilograms. This would be 70.7 kilograms. So 2.2 pounds and 1 kilogram is the conversion in our course. We round the tenths place for the weight. So now let's multiply by that value. And the reason why is that kilograms will cancel, and we will know the exact number of milligrams per day this individual needs. When I multiply 0.2 times 70.7, you get 14.14, and this is milligrams per day. We now need to divide that into 2 doses. So let's divide that by 2. Divide that by 2 because there are 2 doses in one day, and we get 7.07. So this is the amount of milligrams they need per dose. Each time we give the medication, they need to get 7.07 milligrams. Now we have to turn this into milliliters. And we're turning this into milliliters because this is an injection, and the available strength of our medication, 25 milligrams to 5 mLs. We get 1.414, and this is milliliters, and we round milliliters to 1.4 to the tenths place. And so what we see is that the pharmacy actually had sent, or the colleague had prepared, 2.8, which looks like that's the amount of milliliters maybe for the entire day, but that's not how many they need per dose. So this is not appropriate. It doesn't match the amount that we have calculated for this order. We need 1.4 milliliters. So this particular prepared dose is not appropriate. It looks like they prepared the amount for the entire day and not for one dose.